The Double D Continuous Protein Oven is part of the JBT FoodTech portfolio of food processing equipment. It was designed by Double D Food Engineering in 1989 and has continued to offer significant benefits to the food processing and protein industry, both in the UK and worldwide. The protein oven can be custom built and was designed specifically for the meat, poultry, vegetable and fish processing industries with two key aims: to provide continuous, in-line, high-volume production and to ensure excellent product consistency, colour and texture across a wide range of products. The oven delivers excellent results when roasting chicken and other poultry products, browning hams and turkey breasts, cooking sausage links and hamburgers, meatballs and fajita meats, grilling bacon, cooking fish, seafood, ready meals, diced potatoes, egg products, and roasting or steaming a full range of vegetables. High impingement airflow directs a stream of controlled hot air straight at the product being cooked from both above and below the belt. This ensures excellent consistency and product colour every time. The oven can cook by dry heat up to 280 degrees centigrade or 540 degrees Fahrenheit. It can also steam cook, utilising steam from your factory boiler, or combination cook, using a mixture of dry heat and live steam. The oven features a stainless steel travelling belt, which has variable speed controls. The belt can be built to any required length or width to suit your individual requirements. The standard width is 1 metre, although Double D has built belts from 0.6 metres up to 3.6 metres wide. A set of independently controlled fans deliver air to the products from both above and below the belt. There is one set of fans in each zone. By varying the speed of the fans, you can vary the heat, providing a greater degree of control and flexibility. The result is an evenly and consistently cooked product every time. Every Double D product is custom built to meet your exact capacity requirements. The continuous protein oven is designed in zones to provide exactly the size of cooking chamber required. Each zone can be independently controlled. This means that conditions can be varied to meet finished product requirements for appearance, texture, colour and taste. The high impingement system is key. Controlled hot air is directed at the product from both above and below the belt, providing excellent colour and consistency. Steam can be introduced for rapid rise of internal product temperatures and protection of valuable yields. The oven is fully controllable. A menu-driven touchscreen PLC controller holds up to 100 different cook programs. This gives complete control over every parameter of the cook, including time, temperature, fan speed and steam injection. All Double D ovens are indirect fired using top quality burners and heat exchangers. This ensures that the products being cooked never come into contact with the products of combustion. The oven can be fired by oil, gas, thermal fluid or electricity with equally good results. Double D has always been at the forefront of developing its products to meet changes in customer and environmental trends. For instance, the effects of rising costs in both energy and raw materials have prompted the company to invest in developing a number of energy-saving features. These include an energy-saving limbo mode, designed to cut energy costs by switching down cooking zones when they're not in use. All Double D continuous protein ovens can be integrated with other JBT FoodTech product lines to form complete, in-line, flexible food processing solutions. These include the Stein range of in-line coating and frying equipment, the Frigoscandia range of spiral freezers and coolers, and the DSI slicing and portioning systems. You can test all Double D products at our Food Technology Centre near Edinburgh in Scotland. A trained technical team will help you produce the best possible results using your own products. JBT Foodtech also has food technology centres in Sandusky, Ohio and Helsingborg in Sweden, where many of the world's most popular brands have been developed. All Double D products are designed and manufactured at the JBT Foodtech factory in Scotland using the latest technology. This way, we achieve unrivalled quality and precision of build. All installations are custom designed to suit your exact requirements, and each unit is built to the highest standards of engineering quality and innovation. Why not put our products to the test and see for yourself?